Hey guys, guess who I found? Flashy, he misses all of you. I will zoom him in. Hello. He's probably freaked out. He doesn't know what's going on. It's like, why is she taking me out of my cage? We're so comfortable. Okay, so I'm gonna put him up here. We'll see how long he stays up there. But, I don't know if he's gonna stay. Oh no, I don't think he likes it. Okay, so our video today for math is all about I can draw 2 and 3D shapes. So remember we talked about identifying 2D and 3D shapes? So you should be able to know what those 2D and 3D shapes are. If you don't, go back to my previous videos and check it out. Okay, so today, grab a paper, grab a pencil, a marker, a crayon, whatever you have around your house that you can use to draw, because we're going to practice drawing 2D and 3D shapes, but I'm going to just give you a clue and you have to figure out what shape I'm trying to tell you to draw. So it's kind of like mystery shape. All right, here goes, guys. Draw a 2D shape that has 2 sets of 2 equal sides and 4 vertices. What am I, or who am I? Flash, you're freaking me out. It's like tickling me. All right, I'm going to give you a second, and here he goes. Stop paying attention to Flash and write and draw your shapes, guys. Just kidding. Okay. So that one is a rectangle. So it's got 2 sets, meaning 2 groups of 2 equal sides. So on this side is equal to this side, and on this one, the top is equal to the bottom. 2 long sides, 2 short sides, okay? All right, let's try another one. Draw a shape that has 8 angles and 8 sides. Remember, angles are those little portions where the sides meet, the space in between where the sides meet. All right, who am I with 8 angles and 8 sides? Wish you could see his face. It's kind of turned backwards. Remember, pause the video if you need extra time. I'm going to kind of keep going on this. All right, I am an octagon. So when you're drawing the octagon, it's a little bit tricky. I wouldn't start here and go all the way around. What I do is go top, bottom, side, and then I connect them in between, and that makes my octagon. That I find the easiest way to draw an octagon. It's kind of tricky. Keep practicing drawing those shapes. I know they're kind of tricky to draw. All right, so now think about this one. Draw a shape that has 3 angles. Who am I? 3 angles. Remember, pause the video if you need extra time. I'm kind of going to go fast, though, because you have that option of pausing the video. All right, I am a triangle. So right here, we've got 1 angle here, 1 angle here, and 1 angle here. You could have drawn a right angle triangle as well if you wanted to, which is the one like this. It's kind of hard to see. I can't pull up my drawing tools right now. All right, let's try another one. Now 3D shapes. 3D shapes are a little bit trickier to draw. So draw a 3D shape that has 1 face, 1 vertex, and no edges. Who could it be? Maybe go back to your 3D shape museum, and that might help you if you were able to do that challenge yesterday for math. This one is a cone. So looking at the top, you've got 1 vertice or vertex, and then you've got no edges. It looks on paper like it has edges, but remember, this is 3D. It's going all the way around, guys. All right, and then you got a face on the bottom where it's flat. All right, let's try another one. Got your pencil and your paper ready? Here we go. Draw a 3D shape that has 6 faces. I messed up right there. 12 edges and 8 vertices. Who am I? There's 2 answers. There's 2 3D shapes that have this one. There he is. And he's going to come down my arm. Oh, and he's on my computer. All right, let me see if you'll sit on my knee. See him better. Okay. Pause the video if you need extra time. This one requires a little bit more thinking on it. It's got 6 faces. Those are the flat portions of your shape, flat. And then 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now this may be tricky to draw. You may want to YouTube a video of how to draw 3D shapes. Might help. This one is a cube or a rectangular prism, either one. So let me see if I can pull up my drawing tools for you. Whoa, and flash is off. I may have to end up putting them away. So let's take a look here. If I pull up my drawing tools, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a square, and this is a little bit tricky to do on the computer. And then I'm going to draw a square right inside of it, like this. And then you just connect those lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. So that would be a cube. It looks messy on the computer. It's a little bit tricky to draw on the computer. And the same thing with the rectangular prism. When you're drawing that one, you draw a rectangle. Ooh, it's terrible. And another rectangle inside of it, halfway down. And then connect those lines right here. There's a lot of great YouTube videos on this if you want to check that out. And you connect those lines. And then when you count those lines, you should have 12 edges, 6 faces. I'm going to fix that right now. 6 faces and 8 vertices, okay, for both of those. All right, let's go on to the next one. Draw a shape with 0 edges, 0 vertices, and 0 faces. What kind of shape is this one? 0 edges, 0 vertices, and 0 faces. Now this one is going to be a 3D shape because I'm talking about faces. All right, 3D shape. Remember, pause the video if you need extra time. I know it takes a little bit of time to draw these out. All right, I am a sphere. So you can see a sphere. This is how they draw a sphere. Welcome back, Flash. All right, and we draw this dotted line, which represents the back portion of that ball, the sphere. Okay. And it's got no edges, no vertices, and no faces. All right, the next one. Oh, that's it. Yay! Thank you so much for trying your best and doing this lesson with me. It was fun doing this lesson with you. Nailed it. Say, I nailed it. Say, I'm awesome. All right, guys, I've got a challenge for you, a math challenge. If you are ready to keep going with 3D and 2D shapes, say, oh yeah. Say, if you're ready for a challenge, say, oh yeah. Oh, you can see Clark in the background there. Okay, so here is the challenge. Say, bring it on. Let me hear you say, bring it on. Okay, so your challenge is to create your own 2D, 3D shape book. On each page of your book, draw a shape and write the name of the shape includes attributes of that shape. Post it on Class Dojo and let me see it. All right, awesome, guys. I hope you get a chance to do this challenge. And ow, I gotta go. Flash is running away.